Hello everyone, this is me and my friend Vicky. I've brought her on here to do her funny noises, which is not going to do yet because I'll tell her to do it. Her name is Vicky and we both go to the same college together. Say hello, Vicky.
Hello, my name's Vicky.
But we're going to start off by her doing her funny noises. Okay, do your camera. Do a long one again. That was funny. Do achoo. Stop. That was what's up. Do achoo. In your funny voice. Do that. She's gonna go. Do the long one. Do a long one. Yeah, that was funny as hell. I'm gonna zoom up on you and you're gonna do your funny faces. Hold on. That was your funny voices.
Funny face?
Yeah. That's a sad face. Happy face. Oh, you haven't done any thingies yet. Hold on. Zoom out. You know the one we go, why? Do that one.
Why?
Do it again.
Why?
Right, zoom up on you again. Do the sad face. Do the happy face. Do that one. Oh, that was so funny. Zoom out. Don't get upset, Vicky.
You do yours.
I don't have a sad face.
Yeah.
What one? People will love yours better than mine. Oh, can you speak funny? Have you seen White Chicks before?
Yeah.
White Chicks with all the black men dressed as the white girls. That's funny. I can speak like them a bit.
How?
What should I say? What do they say? Oh my god, I think I have a fucking fan. Right, Vicky, we're going to say bye to the people now. Say bye-bye, people.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, girlfriend.